दरी दणम धन्नता तकिडगजम तकटगजम अधित्त कुंधरि कुंधन धन्न धन्नत झण्णु झण्णुत धिमि धिमित तत्ता निंदि तता तत धागिडगजम हिंगडगजम लांग दद्धित तदिगिण तुम दलांग दद्धित तदिगिण तुम हिंग ताग धिंग ताग तदिगिण तत्ते धन्नत दिंद तत्ते धन्ना दिंद तत्तदा तत्तदा धिं तत्तदे
The next item of today's performance is Sri Jagadeswari Durga. The word Durga, directly translated from Sanskrit to English, means one who is invincible. And in this kirtana, the dancer joyously welcomes Durga Devi into her home. The Divine Mother is the wife of the powerful Lord Shiva and embodies the highest level of power in the universe. The dancer asserts that it is Durga Devi's desire and duty to humanity to protect it. Durga is often depicted as Mahishasura Mardhini, the destroyer of Mahishasura. Mahishasura, the half-man and half-buffalo demon, performs penance to Lord Brahma, seeking immortality. But bound by the forces of nature, Brahma is unable to grant his wish outright, so he adds a caveat. Only a woman would be able to defeat Mahishasura. Confident that this could never happen, Mahishasura abuses his new power to torture humanity and Mother Earth. The gods, unsure of how to keep Mahishasura's power from growing, request Durga to kill him. So after a raging battle, the almighty Devi defeats him once and for all. And today, accompanying the main vocalist Subhashini Krishnamurthy in this kirtana is Revati's youngest child, Sivani Komanduri. Sivani is just 10 years old, and she is already a budding classical singer. This beautiful melody, composed by the late Lalguri G. Jayaraman, depicts the gentle yet fierce nature of Durga Devi. The kirtana is set to the Ahir Bhairavi Ragam, Adi Talam, and is composed by our Guru Srimati Revati Komanduri.
श्री जगदीश्वरी दुर्गा श्री जगदीश्वरी दुर्गा श्री जगदीश्वरी दुर्गा माता श्री जगदीश्वरी दुर्गा माता श्री जगदीश्वरी दुर्गा माता शिवमनोरञ्जनी भवभयभञ्जनी राजराजेश्वरी राजीवनेत्री राजराजेश्वरी राजीवनेत्री शिवमनोरञ्जनी भवभयभञ्जनी श्रीजगदीश्वरी दुर्गा माता श्रीजगदीश्वरी दुर्गा माता स्वागतं सुस्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतं सुस्वागतं सुस्वागतम् सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारिणि देवी देवी सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारिणि देवी सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारिणि देवी सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारिणि देवी दुष्ट निग्रह शिष्ट पालिनी माता दुष्ट निग्रह शिष्ट पालिनी माता सृष्टि स्थिति लय कारिणि देवी ತಕಿಟ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಗ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಕಾರಿಣಿ ದೇವಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಲಯ ಕಾರಿಣಿ ದೇವಿ ದುಷ್ಟ ನಿಗ್ರಹ ಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾತಾ ದುಷ್ಟ ನಿಗ್ರಹ ಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾತಾ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ಮಾತಾ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಮಾತಾ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ದೇವಿ ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಷು ಶಕ್ತಿರೂಪೇಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥಿತಾ ನಮಸ್ತಸ್ಮೈ 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 ನಮೋ ನಮಃ
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to take some time to introduce the orchestra. On the Nattu Vangam, we have Srimati Devati Komandori, a senior student of Gudu Vempati Chinya Satyam, is the founder of Srivani Kuchipudi Dance Academy of Atlanta. On vocal, we have Srimati Subhashni Krishnamurthy, a consummate solo artist, composer, and accompanist for dance productions, is a proficient vocal musician and an accomplished Veena performer. She received Veena trainings from her grandmother, Srimati P.V. Pattaman, a veteran of All India Radio. A software engineer by profession, Srimati Subhashni resides in Atlanta. Next, on Veena, we have Dr. Srimati Seshu Sarma. She learned Carnatic music and Veena from Sri Kavarayam Jogodayo and Srimati Pappu Padmati in India at the age of 15. In addition to being a physician and an educator, Dr. Sarma is a true lover of the arts and translates this love through participation, promotion, and organization of classical dance programs and music concerts. Further, on Mridangam, we have Sri Suresh Kothandadam, who started learning Mridangam at a very early age from Sri Ramanand V. Iswaran, a senior artist, and received advanced training from Sri K.M. Vaidyanathan. He has performed for All India Radio, Delhi, and in various dance performances. He was also featured in NPR WABE Atlanta. Next, on violin, we have Sri Ramesh Panchagnala. He is a disciple of Sri Neti Sri Rama Sarma of Hyderabad and continued his training under Professor Shiva Kumar Kalyaranam in Troy, New York. He has enchanted audiences with his solo performances in India and the USA. Next, on the flute, we have Srimati Hema. She is a self-taught flute artist who has learned Carnatic vocal music from renowned gurus in Mumbai. Sri Chandra Shekhara Bhagavatar and Srimati T.R. Balamani. She takes training from the flute maestro S. Shashank. She orchestrated music for devotional songs and has taken up recording projects for dancers. Finally, we have Sri Anjaneya Sastri on the tabla, who is a disciple of the eminent tabla maestro Pandit Privati Bhattacharya. For the past 8 years, he has also been taking tabla classes offered by the most renowned Ustad Zakir Hussain and has accomplished many luminaries such as Ustad Sahid Parvez, Pandit Nandikishore Mule, Pandit Sanjeev Chimagnani. Let us have one round of applause for these talented orchestra members that could make this day possible. Now I'd like to say a few words about my sister. I'm her 11-year-old brother, and my name is Samarth Mishra. 1 week before this very great day, my sister told me, "You have to speak at my Ranga Pravesam." I told her that I get stage fright, and I would not be able to speak in front of a big audience. In response, she said, "You say what you feel about me, and it'll be easy for you to come up with words." So just about a week ago, I started working on my speech. And now I'm going to tell you a bit about my sister. My sister's really talented, and I'm happy to have a sister who's smart, but is also very funny. She has many achievements, such as making GMEA All-State for 5 years in the vocals, and being the Secretary of National Honor Society at Alpharetta High School. I wanted to mention that when my sister shows the art of Kuchipudi to me, even if I'm not in a good mood, I enjoy it a lot. Another thing to notice is that I'm not only my sister's brother, but I'm also her best friend. Whenever my parents are not at home, she takes care of me, and she does not complain. Not only does she take care of me, but she helps me with homework or maybe a project. I'm so glad to say that my sister will be going to Georgia Tech this fall, so if by any chance I do miss her, then she can come home, or I can go meet her. I will never forget the art form of Kuchipudi, and never will I forget the great times with her. So Didi, never forget Kuchipudi, and never forget that you have a bhaiya to take care of you. I would like to tell you one last thing before I step off the stage. At this very day, I'm happy to see you performing dance in front of an audience. Didi, I love you, and thank you for everything you've done for me. I would like to invite my grandparents up on the stage, my Baba and my Nani, to say a few words of my sister.
Ladies and gentlemen, myself Aaron Mishra, father of Vinay Mishra, welcome you all on behalf of my family and also on my personal behalf. And at this rug provision ceremony of my granddaughter. Shreya has been working very hard for this event from very long time, and this has brought her to this stage of Kuchipudi dance. My son Vinay and my daughter-in-law Nandita also inspired her great to come to this stage of perfection what you might have seen now. I, on behalf of my family, also thank Srimati Revati ji, who has been kind enough to train my granddaughter, and I hope that she will give her blessings all through her life. May God bless Shreya with all success in this life, and not in dance, but in also other fields of the life. Ladies and gentlemen, I also seek your blessings for Shreya, so that she becomes successful in the life, not only in the dance, but also in other fields of life. May God be kind to all of you. Thank you.
अमेरिका वासी प्रिय भारतीयों और अमेरिकी बंधुओं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े सौभाग्य का विषय है कि मैं अपनी दौहित्री श्रेया के रंग प्रवेशम पे अपने कुछ भावनाएं रखने के लिए यहाँ पर आमंत्रित हूँ. It's very difficult to express what exactly I am feeling this time. It's not only the blooming of talent of my granddaughter Shreya, but a complete resolve of an art incarnation. Ma Saraswati has blessed Mrs. Revati enough to sow and guard the seed of Kuchipudi in her disciples, and Shreya has proved its full beauty from her hearty dedication. As Shreya has also felt, dedication and passion make a wonderful combination of infinity and concentration. No doubt, Revati is Guru, always pranamya, but Shreya will be the light of that eternal lamp which is derived from the feet of Nataraja